Carticel and MACI are the only autologous chondrocyte implantation products approved by the FDA in the last 25 years. The traditional ACI requires 2 surgeries and a time-consuming cell expansion in a bioreactor, making this medical procedure very inconvenient and expensive and limiting its broad clinical application. I will discuss a new cartilage repair technology, RevoCart, based on autologous chondrocyte implantation similar to MACI, but it only requires 1 surgery and no in vitro cell expansion. It took 20 years to develop RevoCart, including a successful clinical trial. RevoCart is approved by the TFDA and is commercially available in Taiwan. The RevoCart system consists of a porous bioabsorbable plug, a tissue processor, 2 processing reagents, liberase enzyme and HBSS, and a surgical instrument set. A small amount of healthy cartilage tissue is first removed from the non-weight-bearing area of the knee. Unlike MACI, the harvested tissue never leaves the OR. It is minced in the tissue processor for 2 minutes to form fine tissue particles less than 1 millimeter in diameter. The fine particles are exposed to the enzyme for 20 minutes and residual enzymes are removed. Finally, the fine tissue particles are loaded into the porous plug, which is implanted at the defect site. The entire surgical procedure can take less than 1 hour to complete. Does it work? This patient received 2 plugs. The defect was fully covered with repair tissue after 1 year. A similar second look is observed for every patient that consented to arthroscopy examination and biopsy at 1-year follow-up. The repaired tissue shows hyaline-like cartilage. Why does RevoCart work so well? The unique tissue preparation combining mechanical mincing and chemical treatment has created a tremendous surface area with a maximum number of chondrocytes exposed at the particle surfaces. Because of ease in receiving nutrients, the chondrocytes are highly active. In 3 weeks of cell culture, more new chondrocytes are formed. Cell outgrowth is observed. Cartilage particles start to fuse with the new matrix. This is exactly how RevoCart works in the knee. Okay, show me the clinical evidence. These are the IKDC scores and KOOS Sport Recreation Subscale up to 5 years of clinical follow-up. RevoCart performs better statistically than marrow stimulation at both 2 years and 5 years of follow-up. In conclusion, RevoCart, a one-step autologous cartilage repair system, is aimed to replace MACI and become the leading treatment of choice in the 1 billion plus cartilage repair market after it has completed an IDE study.